Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to answer one of the Java interview questions. That is, what are arrays in Java? Let me answer. Arrays in Java allows us to store multiple values of same data type into a single variable. Let's say you have created a variable and declared that variable with some data type. Instead of array, you declared that variable with some data type. In that case, into that single variable, you can store only one value. If you try to store more than one value, Java will give you a compiler error. What if you declare the same variable with array data type? Okay, array type. In that case, into that single variable, we can store multiple values of same data type. That too into a single variable, you can store more than one value. That is possible with the help of arrays. So in simple terms, arrays in Java are used to store multiple values of same data type into a single variable. This is what exactly arrays are. Into a normal variable, you cannot store more than one value, whereas into the variable declared as arrays, you can store multiple values of same data type, okay, into the single variable. Let me practically demonstrate this and prove you that how we can store multiple values of same data type into a single variable declared as array. Okay. So for that, I'll just create a new class here. I'll just do one thing. Just create a new class. I'll just say new class. I'll just name this class as class R with main method. I'll create. Now inside that, I'll create a variable, normal variable. I'll just name this variable as A and declare that variable as in data type. And into this variable, how many values I can store? If it is not an array, you see, I have not declared this variable as array type. It's a normal data type. I declared this variable. So into this single variable, how many values I can store? Only one value. Let's say 9 I am storing. That's okay. You see, I'm not getting any compiler error. What if I try to store more than one values into this variable, like providing some curly braces and 9 comma 1 comma 5 comma 7 like this? If I try to store multiple values into the same variable, okay, four values I would like to store into a single variable, which is declared with in data type. It is not possible in Java, guys. You are going to get a compiler error. Okay, you have to convert this into an array in order to store these multiple values into a single variable. Into a single variable, you cannot store more than one value. Only one value you can store like this. What if I create one more variable, say b, and I'm going to declare this variable b as integer array. Rather than normal integer data type, I'm going to declare this variable, the another variable b as integer array type. Okay, so that I can store multiple values. You see, not just one value, I can store multiple values, 9 comma 5 comma 1 comma 7. I'm storing multiple values into a single variable which is declared with integer array data type. But into a normal variable with this okay, declared with in data type, only one value. But into a variable which is declared as integer array type, there I can store multiple values of same type into the single variable. Okay, here you see 9 5 1 7 are integer values of same type. I can store it in a single variable, though they are multiple values of the same data type or type. I can store it in a single variable. This is possible with arrays, guys. Okay, but in variables, I can store only one value, whereas in arrays, we can store multiple values. Okay, of same type into a single variable. Okay, so with this practical demonstration, hope you got an answer for this question. Okay, so what are arrays in Java? Arrays in Java are used to store multiple values of same type into a single variable. Okay, that's what arrays are. If someone asks you what arrays are in Java, you have to give this as an answer. And if they want more thing, you can explain about normal variable where you can store only one value, whereas into the arrays we can store more than one value of same type into a single variable. Okay, so with this program and logic and practical demonstration, you can easily answer the question, guys. So that's all for this session. Thank you. Bye bye.